Hello, hello, again. It's me, Gregory Scott, and today we have another video. Another video where we're talking about emotions. Emotions. Happy, yay! Sad, oh, angry, emotions. Today, we're talking about things that make me happy. Yay! Happy. We're gonna talk about 4 things that make me happy. Yay! So watch, look, listen, and you will understand. That's the beautiful thing about comprehensible input. You just watch, you look, you listen, and you understand. Okay? Are you ready? Let's go. Number one thing that makes me happy. I'm happy when I've been working all day. All day I've been working. But then I go home and I get to lay in my bed and sleep. Lay in my bed and sleep. This makes me happy. Number two. So me, I love learning. Me, I'm learning Spanish. When I listen to Spanish, when I look at Spanish TV shows or Spanish movies, when I understand, I'm happy. Because I love learning. I love learning Spanish. So this is number 2. When I'm listening to Spanish, when I'm watching Spanish, and I understand, then I'm happy because I love learning. I love Spanish. Okay, let's keep going. 2 more. Okay? So, number 3. I'm happy when I'm with my friends, when I'm with my family, and we're laughing, we're smiling, and we're having a good time. I'm happy, yay, when I'm with my friends, when I'm with my family, we're laughing, we're smiling, and we're having a good time. That makes me happy. Friends make me happy, family makes me happy, and having fun. All these things make me happy. Do your friends make you happy? Does your family make you happy? Hopefully. Okay? So this is number 3. Family, friends, smiling, laughing, it makes me happy. Yay. Okay, last one, number 4. Number 4, you might think that it's weird. Weird, what is that? That's weird. You might think that it's weird, but me, it makes me happy. Yay! It makes me happy. So what is it? What is number 4? What is it that makes me happy? Well, I love. It makes me so happy when I fight. Yes, when I fight. When I fight, it makes me happy. Not fighting on the street. Not fighting on the street. I don't like to hurt people. I don't like to hurt people. But I do love to compete. I do love to compete, and I love to challenge myself. So when I fight, when I compete, when I challenge myself, it makes me happy. Yay! It hurts. It hurts, but it makes me happy. Okay? Do you think that's weird? Do you think that's weird that I love fighting? I don't know. Leave a comment below if you think it's weird or no. But that's all. We covered 4 things that make me happy. Good job. I hope you listened. I hope you listened well. I hope you watched well. And I hope you understood well. Okay? Keep going, keep listening, keep watching, and your English will improve. See you in the next video. Bye.